In this video, I'll show you how to make logo animation in CapCut PC. Open CapCut, go to the library, add a background to the timeline. Change the ratio as needed. Here we adjust it to 16:9. Then, adjust the background size and position to cover the whole screen. Next, let's add a logo. We'll use the CapCut logo as an example. Drag your logo onto a track above the background. Once the logo is on the timeline, select it in the preview window. Resize and reposition the logo by dragging the corners. After adjustments, go to the video mask. Choose rectangle. Adjust the size and position to match the upper half of the logo. Duplicate a copy and overlay it on the upper layer. Adjust the mask size and position to match the lower half of the logo. Now, we extend the duration. To animate the logo, select it on the timeline. Go to the Animation tab and choose an animation from the available options. For the upper part, we choose Puzzled Up Animation. Set duration to 1.5 seconds. For the lower part, we choose Shake 1 animation. Set duration to 0.5 seconds. Next, move the lower part clip to the position where the upper part animation ends. That's it. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.